Okay, y'all. I made it off that boat. Now I'm on another boat. Okay? And right now I'm on my knees because I got to step over. Y'all don't want to look at this little bitty ladder. But on this boat over there I just got off of, y'all, for real, I thought it was going to break. I ain't no light person. I know. I'm not no light person. No. I ain't no light person. Thought that thing was gonna break. I heard it go. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna fall. Anyway, come on, y'all. Look, there's those motor, and I found out that boats go by, not by mile, by hours. Yeah, you sail by hours, like John Deere tractors. You go by hours. Look at the nice seat they have here. Okay. I had to step down, y'all. This right here got water in it. Okay. I don't know. I hadn't asked about the price on these things. But you all will find out about the price. I give you the information. And this is the last boat I'm going on, y'all, because my butt just can't get up and down. This one is very nice. Let's see. Is it open? And it's open. Oh my God, y'all. Now, see, this is what I'm talking about. This one comes with a porta potty. See, I was wondering about that. I know I ain't crazy. This beats the cake. Y'all, I ain't never seen this before. Look. A bathroom in this one. Never ever. Got a tissue holder in there too. Got some. If it was my boat, I'd put some stuff on the wall to read. And with that too. Look at that. Just look. Look at that. Look. That. Now this is really sad for me not to know that. Look at that. A potty. All right. Here's the door. And there was the door potty. Check it out. Okay. Potty. Potty door. Potty. Potty. So you can take your kids up on here and go potty. So here's the such and such a. You all tell me. Canopy over the top. You see it? That little boat right there. See that little boat? Let's zoom it in. It's a nice little boat over there. Y'all, I would love to go over there and look at it. But look, I just ate. And I'm already tired. Climbing in on these boats. I guess this must be the. You know what? I just forgot the name a ramp. I don't know if they call some ramps or not. I would call it a ramp. A little glove compartment right here. You got one right here. Can you guys see it? Maybe zoom out because I had it zoomed in for that one. But here's a little thing for you. And here goes your chair. Let me see, can I drive it? Oh, this got a little thing, compass. Guess I tell you if you're going right, if you're going left, or where you're going. I wouldn't know how to read. Look, y'all. Ain't no way I could read that thing right there. But if I was tight, I'm pretty sure I could get it. I'm pretty sure. Okay? Here you go. Let me get off of it just in case somebody's interested in this boat. Just in case somebody's interested in this boat. The floor. I can't get over the potty thing. speakers. Comes with speakers. A seat here. A seat there. Seat. Now, my thought is still wondering. I'm gonna get off of here. Look at that ramp over there. It sure is a big old ramp right there, huh? That's a big ramp to get that boat on. And there one right there. Right there. And right there. And once again, there's that red boat. You know, I done went to every boat and hadn't got on that red boat and used all my energy on the other boats. Now, how silly is that? Okay, can you all see that boat with the phone number on it? Alrighty. Can you see that? Alright, talk to you later. Bye.